क्रिप्टो और एनएफटी अनियंत्रित हैं और इनके साथ अत्यधिक जोखिम जुड़ा हो सकता है। संभव है कि इस प्रकार के लेन देन से हुए किसी भी नुकसान के लिए कोई विनियामक सहायता उपलब्ध न हो। किसी भी सूचना के लिए support@coinswitch.co पे संपर्क करें।
Welcome to this very special AI-generated price analysis. In this weekly price analysis, we will cover Bitcoin, Matic, and Shiba Inu. First, the market update. The crypto market had a bullish reversal over the weekend, with the total crypto market cap corrosive above the $1 trillion level for the first time since 7th November. The favorable US inflation outlook and other economic indicators and Federal Reserve's less hawkish stance on future rate hikes have given much-needed support to the market. It has helped to improve the crypto market sentiment significantly. The Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index moved to the neutral level of 52, its highest since 5th April. Thus, Bitcoin stepped out of fear for the first time in 9 months. The move follows a 24% gain for the BTC over the past 7 days, with BTC hitting the $21,000 level. Moving to the next section, price analysis, and starting with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's price began to rise sharply above the 16,53,000 rupee resistance level. BTC was able to break through the 16,96,000 rupees and 17,80,000 rupee resistance levels, kicking off a major uptrend. Finally, the price approached the 18 lakhs rupee resistance level. The price has formed a high near that level and is now consolidating gains. Below the 17 lakhs 80,000 rupee level, there was a minor decline. The price fell below the 23.6% fib retracement level of the upward wave from the swing low of 17 lakhs 84,000 rupees. Bitcoin is currently trading above the 16 lakhs $96,000 mark and a 100-hourly simple moving average. On the 4-hourly chart of the BTC INR pair, a key bullish trend line is forming with support near 17 lakhs 80,000 rupee level. If BTC clears above, the next major resistance is near the 18 lakhs rupee level, above which the price may resume its steady rise. In the stated case, the price could rise to 18 lakhs 30,000 rupees or higher. Moving to next, Matic. With Polygon's hard fork occurring today, its native token has crossed the resistive $1 level. So there's a lot of action at the Polygon counter. The network will go through a hard fork to address chain reorganizations to minimize the block completion time and reduce the severity of gas spikes. The primary objective of the imminent hard fork is to refine the network's protocol and give investors a clearer insight into the cost of transactions and help them plan and budget their investments more effectively. Moving to price analysis. Matic has gained by over 20% in the last week, helping it to cross above the psychologically important level, and is finding good support. The RSI is still not in the overbought zone, meaning we can see more upside if the macros of the market remain positive. If Matic manages to stay above the 86 rupee level today, it may rise all the way to the 99 rupees and 59 paise level. Another potential scenario is that Matic may test the level at 79 rupees and 19 paise for support before moving higher, which will be extremely positive for the market. Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is gearing up for a lot of actions in the coming week. Soon after, Shiba Inu's developers posted an update over the weekend to inform their community about the upcoming beta release of Shibarium, a layer-2 network that will run on top of the Ethereum mainnet. Shib witnessed increased investors' attention and a spike in trading volume. Shib has gained over 21% over the last week. On the 4-hourly chart, Shib is experiencing resistance at the 0.000904 level, and the 50 EMA slope is likely to provide good support to the token. There is also a golden cross. 50 EMA has crossed above the 200 EMA, meaning strong underlying momentum. If the market sentiment stays positive, Shib can move toward its next resistance at the 0.001 rupees level. There is strong support at the 0.00080 level. As we close this price analysis, don't forget to keep your eye on AI-based crypto tokens, which are witnessing huge gains over the past few days. Tokens like FET, RLC, GRT, NMR have gained over 100% in the last 30 days. That's it on price analysis. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, Take care.
क्रिप्टो और एनएफटी अनियंत्रित हैं और इनके साथ अत्यधिक जोखिम जुड़ा हो सकता है। संभव है कि इस प्रकार के लेन देन से हुए किसी भी नुकसान के लिए कोई विनियामक सहायता उपलब्ध न हो। किसी भी सूचना के लिए support@coinswitch.co पे संपर्क करें।